How's it going? This is Daniel Bussius. I'm going to do a quick review on how I use Google Drive in my business and how it helps my team and I to stay organized. The first is Google Drive gives you the ability to share files and folders across your entire organization. And so I actually have two Google Drives. So if I switch over to my agency one, what you'll be able to see here is that you can actually create folders. And with those folders, you can actually share them with specific people across your organization. And so, for example, if I go over here to my design folder, which is shared with the people that are part of my design team, you'll see there's different projects in here that we can actually share with clients. And then we can also share files until they become final products that go out the door. So that's kind of cool. And so the other thing that you can actually do is you can color code these. And so you can actually change color codes, and you can set up a color coding for is something in final review, is something in the first draft mode, has something been approved. You can actually star things. You can easily move around your files, and you can do shareable links in which you can send to other people, freelancers, team members, clients, and then of course you can download them. The other thing too that I do in my organization is I have team folders. So these are people that are part of my team, and they can house their own files and folders. And then specific team members, copywriters, designers, things like that, that need to be shared. Their drives need to be shared with other people. You can have that ability to do that too, which is pretty cool. The final thing is in Google Drive, you have the ability over here to see what other people have shared with you. And so you can actually go through there and pull that up. So that's why I love Google Drive, and it's the price is right, by the way. It's super cheap, and it can back up all of your company files. So if you have external hard drives, or you have a desktop computer, you can have all that backed up into the cloud. I would not suggest that to be your primary source of a backup, but that would just be a redundancy. Okay, hope you enjoyed this review.